8 plus 5 times, open parenthesis, 8 minus 5, close parenthesis. Looks simple, right? Well, let's see how most people go about it. They start by adding first. 8 plus 5 equals 13. And then they do the part in parentheses. 8 minus 5, that's 3. And finally, they multiply. 13 times 3 gives 39. It feels right at first glance, doesn't it? But that's not correct. Here's where we slow down and bring back the golden rule. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division share equal priority, and when both appear side by side, we go left to right. The same holds for addition and subtraction. It tells us the order of operations, the order in which math actually wants to be done. And here's the key idea that trips people up. When you've got both multiplication and addition, you don't just go left to right. Multiplication always comes first. So let's solve this one the right way. Step 1. Start inside the parentheses. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now our expression becomes 8 plus 5 times 3. Between addition and multiplication, multiplication takes priority. So 5 times 3 equals 15. And finally, 8 plus 15 equals 23. There it is. The correct answer, 23, not 39. So, what was your first answer? Did you land on 39? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. We love seeing how everyone thinks through these. And if you enjoy quick little math puzzles like this, the kind that look simple but have a sneaky twist, make sure you subscribe for more fun challenges.